Elon Musk explodes forever battery. Insane future revolution in the electric car industry. The list of Elon Musk's enterprises might be the most intriguing in the world. There's Tesla, which makes ultra-quick electric cars, and SpaceX, which is sending a spacecraft to Mars. He thinks his idea of a Hyperloop might completely change the way people travel. His Boring Company, which seeks to invent more efficient methods of tunnel excavation, is also intriguing. When it comes down to it, which one will have the most impact? I believe it'll be his battery company. Really, not all that exciting, is it? Hey folks, welcome back to Tech Electric, where in today's video, we are going to talk about Elon Musk's plan to change the world of batteries. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell symbol so you don't miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started. Elon Musk unveiled numerous inventions that have the potential to revolutionize the battery business on Tuesday afternoon during Tesla's long-awaited Battery Day. Musk said the lithium-ion battery he redesigned in-house would utilize nickel cathodes instead of cobalt. What could possibly be more amazing than this announcement? Since Musk anticipates future economies of scale in battery manufacture, he believes a $25,000 Tesla will be attainable within the next 3 years. Musk is prepared to revitalize the battery business. Tesla's quarterly shareholders meeting, the company held its much-anticipated Battery Day event, during which CEO Elon Musk unveiled an ambitious slate of innovations and even an entirely new manufacturing plant that Tesla will pursue over the next 10 years to begin producing its own batteries. During the broadcast of the event, Musk remarked, "It's vitally critical that we speed the advent of sustainable energy." The event was hosted in Fremont, California. It's completely nuts to continue this climate experiment. Musk hopes that Tesla will play a pivotal role in the development of inexpensive electric vehicles and in the promotion of sustainable energy generation and storage. Musk claims that in the next 3 years, Tesla will be able to produce a fully autonomous electric vehicle for $25,000. This is made possible by this and other redesigns of the lithium-ion battery, which allow the company to make more energy-dense in-house batteries, thereby increasing the range for the company's suite of luxury electric vehicles. Batteries that don't need tables. To achieve higher economies of scale in the electric car, lithium-ion battery, and sustainable energy-generating industries, Tesla's long-term goal is to cut the cost of a kilowatt-hour in manufacturing in half. To do this, Tesla's revamping the battery cell's underlying architecture. The positive and negative ends of each cylindrical battery are called the cap and the can, or the plus and minus, respectively. Inside is a jelly roll with positive and negative electrodes, which is connected to the cell by a tab. Jelly roll, which resembles a rolled-up Swiss cake, takes up around a meter of space in a 2170 Tesla cell. The lithium ions then flow between the cathode and the anode to either store or release energy. Tesla thinks a 46mm diameter cell is optimal, but it's difficult to supercharge batteries of that size. Therefore, the business has unveiled the 4680 cells, a revolutionary tabless architecture. The resulting battery is less complicated to produce than its predecessor, has fewer moving components, and resembles a mandala made from metallic tiles. Not only does this allow for 6 times the power of Tesla's previous battery, but it also provides Tesla vehicles with around 16% longer range than they had before any additional battery upgrades were made. The distance the electron must travel is significantly reduced, as Musk put it. There has never been anything like it before. Even if the cell is bigger, it has more power, and the power-to-weight ratio is substantially less than with tabs. Going terafactory. It will require a lot of battery production, around 150 terawatt-hours per hour, to replace all internal combustion engine automobiles with electric ones. According to Musk, Tesla has produced around 17 terawatts an hour of solar energy so far. The tera, the new giga. The difference between a gigawatt and a terawatt is 1,000. During the talk, he spoke on the matter. To achieve a sustainable global society, this is what must happen. A terawatt is equal to 1 trillion watts, hence the two are interchangeable. That's a giant step forward for renewable energy. Achieving Tesla's new target of 10 terawatt-hours of battery output per year will need the company to create 100 times more battery power than now. The 3 operational Tesla gigafactories in Sparks, Nevada, Buffalo, New York, and Shanghai, China, in addition to a 4th under development in Berlin, Germany, aren't yet adequate to meet these ambitious energy output ambitions. Actually, according to Musk, it would take 135 Nevada gigafactories to create 20 terawatt-hours of battery power annually. Manufacturing battery cells in such a manner is not a scalable option. Consequently, what Tesla appears to be hinting at is reminiscent of Gigafactory 2.0, or more correctly, Terafactory. Musk did not provide any indications as to where a permanent facility may be built, although production of Tesla's new tableless cells is being ramped up at the company's pilot battery manufacturing business outside Fremont, California. He estimated that it would take around a year for the plant to reach 10 terawatt hours a year in energy production. He thinks that one day a fully functional factory may generate over 200 gigawatt hours of energy annually. Cathodes of nickel. The cathode is a shape-retaining structure designed to store ions. Without it, a battery's power will deplete rapidly. Cathodes can be thought of as akin to bookcases, with the metal serving as the shelf and the lithium acting as the book. The number of books, or lithium, that may be accommodated varies with the metal employed in the cathode. Nickel is the most cost-effective and energy-dense material that businesses might employ for cathodes. Cobalt, on the other hand, is the most well-liked choice at the moment because of its reliability. Instead, Tesla plans to transition to nickel, eliminating all cobalt from its batteries in the process. The whole result is a 76% decrease in process cost and a step towards sustainability. As an added bonus, Musk claims that recovered nickel from used batteries would be prioritized above the production of nickel specifically for use in batteries. This reduces the need for mining directly. In light of Tesla's strong opposition to cryptocurrency mining, that's an intriguing argument to examine. One shareholder even brought up the issue of child miners in the DRC at the meeting held soon before the Battery Day celebration, using rechargeable batteries to create automobile bodies. Musk said that in the early days of aviation, gasoline tanks were simply transported together with other goods. However, modern manufacturers have come up with a more efficient design in which the fuel tanks are integrated into the wings themselves. Following in their footsteps, Tesla plans to integrate its new batteries into the chassis of its vehicles. Musk said that Tesla can pack the cells more densely than competitors because the non-cell section of the battery has negative mass. Due to the elimination of 370 automotive parts, the vehicles will lose 10% of their mass, making them feel lighter and more nimble. How about a Tesla for $25,000? The fact that Teslas are premium vehicles is well known to be counterproductive to the company's environmental goals. While there are alternative mass-market electric vehicles such as the Nissan Leaf and the Chevrolet Bolt, the high cost of a Tesla may discourage potential buyers from switching from their current vehicle to one powered by a gasoline engine. A cheaper version of Tesla is the target. Musk predicted that the affordable Tesla will be available sooner rather than later because of the scale economies that would emerge from the company's decision to produce its own batteries. About 3 years from now, we are optimistic that we can produce a very attractive $25,000 electric car that's also completely autonomous, he added. To what do you attribute this? It's not entirely transparent. Investors who attended Tesla's Battery Day event in person and in their own Tesla vehicles honked enthusiastically after each big announcement, but the company's stock price fell when the market opened on Wednesday. But for the time being, we are not holding our breath for that inexpensive Tesla. And that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button and make sure you share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. And you can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected just for you. Hey, we'll catch up with you in our next video. Thanks for watching!